Good Tuesday morning, everybody. How are you? Woke up this morning, it was absolutely miserable and raining out. When I put the rubbish out in the bin about half an hour ago, it was the same. But look at the sky now, beautiful. Sun's coming up. Time to get off to work. There's always a downside, isn't there? Moving on. Okay guys, we've got in the car and it feels freezing, but let's see what the temperature is. I think it's just dampness because it looks like there's been a lot of dew. I know that they forecast grass frost around here last night, so whether we've had a little bit, I don't think so, but let's see what the temperature comes up at. 5, 4, 3, 2, 5. It's 5 degrees.
So it is a bit nippy this morning.
Well, no, 5 degrees is tolerable. 5 degrees C, whatever that being. 5 degrees above freezing. So we may have had a frost. It has to get about 3 degrees, I think, to get frost, doesn't it? Something like that, grass frost. So we may have got that low. But I didn't notice because I slept very well last night. So did you. Okay guys, what happens when you drive off with the handbrake on? 1, it makes that noise. 2, Michelle starts laughing. 3, when I turn the camera off, I'll probably die. So I'm not turning the camera off for at least 10 minutes now.
The only reason I'm laughing is because I'm relieved that that was what it was.
Yeah, I must admit, you did have a bit of a panic on you first then. First thing I did was look at the petrol levels. I thought, oh no, it's not petrol. We're going on holiday on Friday, sorry. Yeah, it's not the first time I've done that. I actually have an excuse for it, but I'm not going to use it because it involves saying it was Michelle's fault. Because she's wearing a coat and her coat goes over the handbrake. And when I get in, it's almost like we haven't got one. Reasonable excuse?
No.
Didn't think so. But I tried it, I failed. I'm going to have to turn the camera off now and take my punishment, which really is not going to be that much, to be quite honest. Just say that. For all you people out there thinking that she's mean, she's not mean at all. Are you? My love. And I'm saying that on the camera so that they know it's true. But she's not. Moving on. It's Wednesday, which is hump day for most people, halfway through the working week. But since I'm off on Friday, past it. Moving on. Look at this, guys. You can see my breath. It's coming. Moving on. Hi guys, that's halfway through the working week for most people. I've only got 1 day to go, haven't I? Well, Mike, he's got 1.5 days to go. Because we're on holiday on Friday. So road trip on Friday, we're down to the Lake District, so yes, can't wait. So you packing tonight?
I start packing, yeah, maybe.
I'll get the washing done. Yeah, so we'll start packing tonight, maybe tomorrow night, and probably end up finishing it off on Friday morning. So that's how we're at. But, however, I will say now on camera, if anything needs packing away on Friday morning, I am not responsible if it doesn't go. You know I will forget. Yes?
I'll do the important stuff tonight, you know, like the books I want to take with me and things like that.
Yeah, your stuff.
Well, let's face it, of all the things that you're going to forget to pack, that's going to be it.
No, I'll forget my batteries. The stuff that I have to pack away will get forgotten. Remember China?
Yes.
So I'll do all my camera stuff tomorrow night. That's what I got in the car. I just put everything in. I can't be wrong then, can I? Well, yeah, change of plan tomorrow. I'm dropping Michelle off because I've got blood tests again. Yay, go me. And dentist again. But never mind. At least I'll have no holes in my teeth when we go on holiday. I might be bleeding everywhere if it pulls one out though. Never mind. Anyway, we're nearly home now, so Wednesday. Like I said, I've just got tomorrow. Just got to get home now. Have our tea, settle down. It's a lovely finish to the day. Although we could see our breath in the air this morning with that cold, it's actually quite warm now, isn't it? What is it? Some 16 degrees. So that's a big change. But I think it's forecast rain at the weekend, isn't it? Never mind. Anyway, moving on. Okay guys, Michelle has started packing for our holiday. As you can see, she's packed book, Kindle, games, tea. Are you going to be reading a lot on your own holiday? Is that your aim? Read and take Instagram pictures of your books. Wish I was that organised. I'll be throwing my stuff in about 2 minutes before I'm setting off on Friday morning. I know I will. I know I was saying before that Michelle just packs her own stuff, but quite rightly so. It's up to me to pack my own. I'm old enough.
I pack clothes and stuff for both of us. Generally, I leave you to pack your
own stuff.
Your own camera stuff and that.
But I am old enough. I should be able to do it by now, I think. It's just that I'm bad at it. Michelle's a lot better at it than I am, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. If I'm left to pack, we definitely do without something.
And the last time that I left you to your own devices to pack your own things, you forgot the spare batteries for your gimbal.
Yes. Was a disaster.
Or was it not the charger for your gimbal?
No, it was the spare batteries and the charger.
Oh yeah, because the batteries were in the spare batteries were in the charger.
Yeah.
That was it.
And you know, I never even went and looked to see if I could buy some more. What a fool. Moving on.